Assalamualaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we will learn about how to log on OWA by only username in Exchange Server 2016. Technology can reduce our workload. It makes our work easy and smooth. Let's dive into the video. This is our admin center of Exchange Server 2016. A user normally log in with his full username like macro/code2. We have to mention the domain name. Now we want to omit the domain name from the username for first access. We just want to use code2 only for login. Let's see how we can do it. Go to Exchange Admin Center, Servers, go to Virtual Directories, OWA, Default Website, click Edit, Authentication, use form-based authentication, username only, browse, domain name, save. There is a warning. You have to restart IIS services. We will just copy the command. Open PowerShell and paste the command and click enter. The requested service has already been started. Let's test. We can just reopen the browser. Type localhost OWA. The username field replaces the domain/username field. It means we can just type the username here, put the password here, and sign in. Logged in with just username. We don't need to mention the domain name. By this process, you can save some time for your users. We can log in with another user. We just logged in again. Thank you all for being with us.